Okay, and today we will learn how to pronounce vowel sound in German language. Okay, yeah, if you want to get daily video updates, then you can like and subscribe my channel. Okay, yeah, so first vowel is a. Okay, there are five vowels in German language. Okay, and three vowels are extended form of these vowels. Okay, like three vowels which are like umlaut, umlaut, and umlaut. Okay, okay, so first vowel is a. Okay, so sound of a, aha. Okay, and a is like a. Sound of ah, and double a is like a. So for first example is vater. Vater means father. Second is manen. Okay, manen means toward. Third is zal. Zal means hall. Okay, so you can see here a is coming after v, so its sound is like fa. Okay, vater. Okay, means father. Next is ah. Okay, so sound of ah is also like a. Okay, so this is manan. Manan means toward. Okay, next is double a. Okay, so sound of double a is also like a. So this is zal. Zal means hall. Okay, next vowel is e. Okay, so sound of e, eh, and double e is like a. Okay, generally we say e in German like a. Okay, for example, lesen. Lesen means to read. Okay, next is sehr. Sehr means very. Okay, next is te. Te means tea. So you can see here e is coming after l. Okay, so its sound is like la. Okay, lesen means to read. Next is sehr. Okay, so sound of eh is like a. So this is sehr. Sehr means very. Next is te. Okay, te means tea. Okay, so sound of double e is like also a. So this is te. Okay, next vowel is I. In German you can say e. Okay, so sound of e. Okay, ea, ha, ha is like e. Okay, in English you can say sound of ie, ih, and ieh is like e. Okay, for example, kino. Okay, kino means cinema. Okay, next is z. Z means she. Okay, next is meter. Meter means tenant. Okay, next is ear. Ear means you all. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, I is coming after k, so its sound is like kino. Okay, next is I is coming after s. Okay, so its sound is like z. Z means she. Okay, next is meter. Okay, I is coming after m, so its sound is like meter means tenant. Next is ear. Ear means you all. Okay, you can see here. Okay, in pictures. Okay, yeah, first is deep. Okay, deep means thick. Okay, next is lead. Okay, lead means song. Okay, next is fear. Fear means four. Okay, fourth one is unbeaten. Unbeaten means to offer something. Okay, so sound of ie is like e. Okay, deep, lead, fear. Okay, unbeaten. Okay, okay, next is O. Okay, so sound of O, OH, and double O is like O. Okay, yeah, for example, wo. Okay, wo means where. Next is zone. Zone means sun. Next is boat. Boat means boat. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, O is coming after way. Okay, W. Okay, so its sound is like wo. Next is zone. Okay, OH is coming after S. So its sound is like zone means sun. Next is double O. Okay, so sound of double O is also like O. So this is boat. Boat means boat. Okay, next is U. Okay, so sound of umlaut is like U. Okay, so this is hören. Okay, hören. Hören means to listen. Okay, next is böse. Böse means angry. Okay, third one is solf. Okay, solf means 12. Okay. Fourth one is Löffel. Löffel means spoon. Okay. So hören, böse, solf und Löffel. Next, sound of U or U. In German, you can say U. Okay. So sound of U and UH is like U. Okay. First is gut. Gut means good. Okay. Next is Uhr. Uhr means clock. Okay, so sound of U. Okay, you can see here gut, Uhr. Okay, next is umlaut. Okay, and this sound is like U. Okay, so first one is Küche. Küche means kitchen. Okay, next is Übung. Okay, Übung means exercise. Okay, next is Prüfung. Prüfung means exam. And fourth one is Zeus means sweet. Okay, so sound of umlaut is like U. Okay, U. So this is Küche, Übung, okay, Prüfung und Zeus. Moving to the next slide. Okay, so this is combination of vowel. First is AU. Okay, so sound of AU is like ow. Okay, first is mouse. Mouse means mouse. Next is blau. Blau means blue. Okay. Next is grau. Grau means gray. Okay. So sound of AU is like ow. Okay. So this is mouse. Okay. Next is blau. Blau means blue. Okay. Next is grau. Okay. So you can see here AU is coming after R. Okay. So its sound is like grau. Okay. AU is coming after L. Okay. So this is blau. Okay. Moving to the next slide. Okay. Next is EU and A umlaut U. Okay. So sound of EU and A umlaut U is like oi. Okay. In German, you can say sound of A, U und A, U is like oi. Okay. Like heute. Heute means today. Okay. Next is Häuser. Häuser means houses. Okay. Next is Träume. Träume means dreams. Okay. Yeah. Next is EI and AI. Okay. So the sound of EI and AI is like I. Okay. Example, first is ein. Ein means one. Okay. Next is my. My means may. Next is Bücherei. Bücherei means library. Okay. So you can see here EI is coming at the beginning. Okay. Then here is AI. Okay. So this is my, ein. Okay. Bücherei. Okay. EI. So its sound is like I. Okay. Bücherei. My, ein. Okay. Okay.